Alright, we are going to attempt to fill this hole and then drill a new hole for the threads in a helicoil. And this is in cast aluminum. The bolt for the tensioner broke. So we got to fill this hole. We're going to use an aluminum spool gun, 100% argon, some acetone to clean this up, and a die grinder to finish the hole, make it at least round and get all the gunk out of there, and then clean it with acetone and then weld it. Okay, so I put a helicoil in there. So really we have like a brand new hole. And I know there's some like little flaws right there, but this will at least hold the tensioner in place and keep the belt on and everything. So it will be a repair. It's just I'm not set up to be a machine shop. I'm just kind of winging this and thinking, well, this is how somebody else would do it if they had the actual machining tools. I just don't. I'm doing it in my Harbor Freight welder in my Milwaukee. Alright, so yeah, it's threading right in, and right there it just got tight, so that will be an extremely sufficient repair. I just need to tighten that up.